Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you and explaining to you all you need to know about consistency rule in prop firm trading. Now, this consistency rule, most of these prop firms, they've been using it to shortchange traders of their payouts, okay? And funny enough, this consistency rule is not written on the front page of their website. It's hidden for reasons best known to them. So I'm going to be showing you the two kinds of consistency rule that these prop firms are using to cheat traders. One is called the 30% consistency rule, and the other one is called the lot size consistency rule. There are a whole lot of prop firms that actually use this consistency rule. Prop firm like Tentrade, Maven Trading, Apex Funding Trading, Funded Nest, and a whole lot of them. So I'm going to be explaining all you need to know about consistency rule so that you avoid that mistake of going against any of this rule and your payout being denied, right? So if that sounds good and it's something that you want to know more about, stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end of the video. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, guy, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Good? Let's go. Okay, so guys, like I rightly told you, Maven Trading have that consistency rule 10, okay? This prop firm also called Tentrade have that consistency rule issue. A whole lot of them, Funded Nest and even this Apex Trading funding, okay? So guys, we're going to be starting with the 30% consistency rule. Now, that 30% consistency rule, a whole lot of prop firm actually use that one as well, but in this case, we're going to be using Apex Trader funding as a case study, right? Because on this particular one, this Apex Trader funding actually went to their Discord, and I discovered that a whole lot of persons are actually making complaint about their payout not being issued because they actually broke the 30% consistency rule. So that is why we're going to be starting with this, okay? So let me quickly read out something to you, okay? It says, at the time traders submit a withdrawal request, the profit balance in the account cannot consist of more than 30% of the profit balance being from a single trading days, okay? So you can see this is quite self-explanatory, but I will still go ahead and break it down, okay? So what the 30% consistency rule actually means is this. If you are funded, okay, and you are asking after you trade, let's say you trade and you make $10,000 profits, okay, and you want to make payout request, you must make sure that out of this $10,000 profits that you've made, that you are making request, 30% of that $10,000 does not come from a single day profit. Okay. Now, 30% of $10,000 is $3,000. Okay. So what that means is this: out of that money, $3,000 should not come from a single day trade. Okay, you can make $2,000, you can make $2,500, but when it gets to, if it gets to more than, you can make $3,000, but when it gets to $3,100, $3,200, $4,000, $5,000, out of that 10,000 profit that you've made, it means that you violated their 30% consistency rule. The maximum profit that is expected of you to make in a single day should be 30%, which is $3,000. Okay, so if it is $1,000, 30% of that, you understand how it goes and all that. Just look at the total amount of money you are making request payout from, okay, and make sure that a single day trade does not exist more than 30% of that total sum, okay. I think the thing is quite self-explanatory. I hope that explains it, okay. So let's go to the next one. The second consistency rule that most of those prop firms actually practice is the lot size consistency rule. In this case, we're going to be using Tentrade, okay? It's also a prop firm and a funding company. We're going to be using their rule as a guide here, okay? So let's read through here. It says, the consistency rule is designed to ensure that traders on the funded trader program achieve steady and sustainable profit while effectively managing risk, okay? It says consistency rule has nothing to do with daily profit or profit per position, but with lot size traded. Remember, in this case, we are looking at lot size consistency rule, okay? So let's go down here and you can see It says using the starting lot as reference, traders can reduce lot size on subsequent trade by 50%. Please, guys, take note of this. By 50%, you can reduce your starting lot size, okay, which is 0 times 5, okay, of the starting lot size. Then using the starting lot as reference, traders can increase lot size on subsequent trade by 200%, which is times 4 of the starting lot size, right? So let me quickly explain how this thing actually works to you guys, okay? So let's assume you bought a 10K challenge account, okay? And you now decided to start taking your trade with, let's say the first trade you're going to be taking is one lot size. You're using one lot size on that account, okay? If you use one lot size on that account, the rule states that you cannot go below 50% of that your starting lot size. Now, 50% in this case of one lot size is what? 0.5. Okay, it's going to be 0.5, right? So you cannot take one lot size in your first trade, then you now start taking the subsequent trade, you now start taking 0.01. You cannot take 0.02. If you do that and you pass, after you must have made profit and you are requesting for payout, these guys are going to deny you your payout because it is assumed that you've breached the lot size consistency rule, okay? Now, let's look at you increasing your lot size, okay? If you look at the rule again, they say you can increase that lot size times 4. You can see, you can increase it using the stating lot as reference. Traders can increase lot size on subsequent trades by 200%. So if you start your lot size with one lot, meaning you can go ahead and use 2 lots, you can use 3 lots, you can use 4 lots, but you cannot use 5 lots. If you go anything above times 4, which is 200% of the initial starting lot size, it means that you breach the consistency rule, okay? And if you make profit and you ask for your profit for your payout, these guys will know they will not pay you because they will tell you that you've breached their consistency rule. So that is the reason why I will always advise you, my followers, that as soon as you, before you buy any prop account, please go to the website terms and conditions and read their consistency rule. It's very, very necessary because most of those websites, they actually hide this from their customers or from their traders. They hide this. So make sure you understand this. Let me use another example for you in terms of lot size consistency rule. So assuming you bought a 10K account and your first lot size you are taking on that 10K account is 0.5, right? If it's 0.5, the minimum lot size you can take on that account should be 0.25 mini lot size. Do you understand? It should be 0.25 mini lot size. And in that account, you can do up to 2 lot size, assuming you started with 0.5 lot size. Remember, you can go 4 times 4 higher, which is 200% higher, then only 50% lower, okay? I want to believe you got value from this video because that is the best way I think I can explain this lot size consistency rule to you, okay? If you got value from this video, I just decided to make the video very short so that you will be able to understand it, okay? Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also please remember to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before now, okay? I'll see you in the next one. To take care of yourself, and bye-bye for now.